Hi! Welcome back to English with Manel. In our last video, we talked about what language is and why English is so important. Now, I have a big question for you. Have you ever wondered how a language is created or how it grows and builds over time? Well, today, we'll explore that and trust me, it's way more interesting than it sounds. First, let's remember this. Language doesn't appear out of nowhere. It begins with people. Humans wanted to communicate to ask for food, warn of danger, or just say hello. Imagine early humans trying to tell their friends, "Look, a big tiger!" They had to make sounds, gestures, maybe even drawings. And that was the very first step of creating a language. Okay, now things get interesting. Language builds step by step. First, there were sounds, simple noises to express feelings or alert others. Then, these sounds became words, each with a clear meaning, like fire or water. Next, people combined words into sentences, big fire near river. And finally, sentences turned into stories telling experiences, sharing ideas, and passing culture from one generation to the next. Have you ever tried explaining something to a friend and realized one word isn't enough? That's exactly how languages grew. Here's a fun secret. Language grows as people live together. Songs, stories, jokes, and traditions. All of these add new words and rules. Think about it. A family tells bedtime stories. A village shares farming tips. Friends create funny slang. All these small things make language richer and stronger. So next time you use a new word, remember you're helping a language grow too. Languages are never static. They change over time. Have you noticed words that your grandparents used, but you don't use anymore? Or words that are new today, like selfie or emoji? That's how a language evolves slowly, with everyone who uses it. It's like a tree. It grows, adds new branches, and sometimes drops old leaves. So how can we build our own language skills today? First, learn words and rules. Then, practice speaking and listening. And finally, share your ideas with friends. Step by step, your English will grow just like a real language. Here's a fun question. Can you teach a friend a new word today? You'll be helping English grow. And here's the exciting part. English language also grows just like that with every word we speak, every sentence we try, and every story we share. So friends, let's work together to build our English step by step, word by word. Your small effort today helps your English grow into something amazing tomorrow. Hit that subscribe button and let's continue growing your English together step by step, word by word. Remember, language is alive. It grows, and so can your English. See you in the next video. Bye.